In 1994, Big Things Are Gone was the breakthrough hit for Tanya Stevens. Let's hear the backstory behind that song in our Fiwi Culture segment.
Big things are gone for you, and you know me not tell you no lie. Big things are gone for you, make the rest of them look like them not try.
My first stable, when we start record stable, was Grove Music. And I was recording for Barry O'Hare and his cousin Stephen Stewart. At the time they called themselves Parson Pickney. The set of songs that I did there, you know, this is where IRFM eventually was born. But that time there was no radio station there. And the Big Things Are Gone song, this by the way, preceded all the Big Things Are Gone and the Things Are Gone that will come out of Kingston. Mine was first, just saying. But when it come out, that was the song that launched me to Jamaica. You me hear it on radio, and it a play, and people ask me for me sing that, and I get people call me for shows, and me start do, you know, me do the then behind them something there, and me do, me feel good coming up on real stage with real artists. What do you can't chat to me.
Cause you know me no shit, me don't want hear nothing about no other man. Me done decide me have to get this you one. If me have to back and see your back I'm at 10. If me even have to drop the
Alright, what can you recall from the initial recording session of the song? Was it one take, several takes? What was the vibe like?
Well, when we did it, we did new. So I wasn't experienced, I didn't know anything. So I was completely guided. It means I may do a few takes, because first of all, I couldn't even open my mouth. Me did actually very shy, make tongue stuck to the roof of my mouth get dry, people in there look, them have met people and come out. It was very scary, but Barry, really good, and he made me relax, and yeah.
jump over the moon. As long as it means I'll get you tonight, I will do any damn thing you want me to do, baby. Big things are gone for you.
When you heard it on the radio for the very first time, what was going through your mind? How did your family and friends react?
I'm not gonna lie, when I hear myself on radio the first time, I'm frightened. Very frightened. You know, like when I say frightened Friday? Well, I was frightened Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Like I tell everybody around me, I remember, you know, me not drive or nothing, you know, me I walk. So, you know, it look weird to people, me I walk or me the pan bus and I be like, I me that here? I like, sure, yeah, right.
You know me no shy, me no wanna substitute, I just your love me need. Tell the rest of them say you gonna lead. Break out of the pop, break well if you kite. Tell the whole world me up.
What kind of doors did the song's success open for you locally?
The studio door them start open up and the producers come with rhythms, and the biggest thing that happened out of that was that Dave Kelly linked, well, I have a virgin, a man named Delroy Collins, and he and Dave Kelly were cool. Call up, link me and say, yo, Dave Kelly wanted some work with you, and I'm like, Dave Kelly? You not ready for this? Came out of that. So Big Things Are Gone kind of made me known enough locally for work with people so that we could get the big things to start going for real. Yeah.
Thinking about you, dear, big things are gone for you.
Boy, the couples them out. Speaking of which, if you were dating someone, would you do a background check on them? Well, the public weighed in on the discussion in our Why Pree Vox Pop segment.
Why Pree?
No,
Why?
that's a past. It's personal.
So you don't want to know where you get yourself into?
But he has to be real. So he's supposed to tell me like what was done before. I don't have to go looking for it. You get me?
No, not really, because I think everybody is kind of entitled to their privacy, and then it would be on your relationship, so you're always best to give the person the benefit of the doubt first.
If it be my personal woman, exactly. Yeah, I go on to her background and run up a file if you know about her.
Why?
How she live in her community, how she behave, how she go on.
Why?
Because having a woman, she have to have principle, pride in herself and be a lady.
Of course, why not? You have to know what we are dealing with. If you get intimate with that person, you have to know who them is. That's what I say.
Yeah.
Cause I know stay and me and I road certain place and certain, you see me, certain thing go pop up and it go surprise me on the spot, you see me, so I have to do a background check. Yeah man, you know, so I'm the right person I deal with, you know.
Me don't want to know a couple things, but me don't work with what she say, you know, sometimes people have to get second chance and dig up all things and them things they charge. If you love her, you love her.
Yes, these men are creepy. You don't have to say nothing else, these men are creepy. These men are creepy and they're liars. I don't know, make them have to tell someone they're lying nowadays, or they lie like, yes, background check for anybody, everybody.
Of course, why not? I need to know, like, who this person, what they've been up to, what they've done in the past. I need police record, everything. I can't date a criminal.
So would you do a background check on someone you're dating? Let us know on our social media platforms at Pree the Show, on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and the comment section on YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
Breadnut Valley Estate, boy, it was great. You see, we could have write 2 songs though. But anyways, we're at the end of this week's episode of Pree the Show. You don't know I'm your boy Naldo Addy. Peace out.